Hello everybody, Namaskar, Namaste. I'm on my way to AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 425 at Presidency School, Yelahanka. This will be my third session in Bangalore among the Presidency group of schools. I'm looking forward to meet all my dear soldiers. I must appreciate once more the socially responsible management of the Presidency group of institution. I must also appreciate once more the Director of Academics of the Presidency group of schools, Dr. Angelo Michael De Cruz, for showing so much of support towards spreading this awareness among their students in their schools, among the Presidency group of schools. So without any ado, let's proceed to Presidency group of schools, Presidency School, Yelahanka, for AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 425 and the third session in Bangalore among the Presidency group of schools.
Students, quickly get up and please line up.
And he has decided, with the greatness of his heart, to come here and share all that he has learned and seen through young lives being destroyed. Listen with attentiveness, minds open and hearts open, to take back with you all that he has to share. I request our
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Before we go up with the session, I would like to call upon Tejas. Whatever is going to happen in the auditorium, Tejas has been assigned as the official photographer of this session. The photos that he takes, the videos that he takes will go to the newspapers, to the channels, not only newspapers and channels, to the government also. So he has been assigned for a very important duty, and rightly so. The correct person, I guess, has been assigned. I've already interacted with him and I'm finding him very promising. So can we give a big hand to the official photographer of the day? पीछे वाले जागो. Good morning, everyone. Okay, fine. See, I will try to come down from the stage and I will come to you because what is going to happen here on the stage. This is not a lecture sabha. This is not a ज्ञान सभा. हम कोई पंडित व्यक्ति है नहीं कि तुमको आके ज्ञान. हम आपसे बातें करेंगे, आप हमसे बातें कीजिए, लेकिन as director sir said, आपस में बातें मत कीजिए. Tell you that call me Dada or Bhaiya and not Sir. I'm coming to that. This is not a social work per se where a person is trying to make a living out of it or make a profession out of it. This is not a social work per se where a person is trying to earn out of social work. दिमाग लगाओ, common sense लगाओ. मम्मी पापा तुम्हारा भलाई चाहते हैं पैसों के लिए, पैसा मांगते हैं. No. So here is another person who has come into your life. जो तुम्हारा I could have earned lakhs and lakhs and thousands out of it. People make social work as a profession, but I don't want to do it. Because I feel, they'll say, however strange it may sound, in sarcastic smiles I can see already, however strange it may sound, I feel that you are my family. Well, I tell you that you are my family, I have already told you. The rest is upon you to believe. As the Adda progresses, how close you are to my heart. In no way I can force my belief on you, can I? Because I believe this, हम ये नहीं खाते, हम ये नहीं फूकते, हम ये नहीं बोलते, हम ये नहीं देखते, doesn't mean I'm going to force my belief or my life on you. तुमको भी ये करना पड़ेगा. I can't do that. So the first option you can take. The दादा की बात नहीं सुनेंगे, बकवास कर रहा है. How dare, if it's nothing out of it, I benefit nothing out of it. तुम लोग से पैसा मांगा क्या स्कूल ये सेशन अटेंड करने के लिए? मांगा क्या? The school benefits nothing. I benefit nothing. I benefit or the school benefits only if you take the second option. You take away from here and you execute it in your life, because as you can understand 425 is not a small number. So I go to that shop and I tell that दुकान का मालिक, you're selling poison. Boys and girls ऐसे ही educated है, they don't understand. Boys have an issue of showing their masculinity कि हम बड़े हो गए क्या करना है? केमिकल्स घुसाओ, सिगरेट के थ्रू से, दारू के थ्रू से, वेप के थ्रू से, हुक्का के थ्रू से, जुबा केसरी बना के, and many other funny stuff which the parents don't even know. Boys and girls, because 10 years, 15 years down the line, when you grow up with money, with power, with your degree, you will rule the society, right? So the person that you are, or the things that you believe, or the things that you propagate, you will only shape the society in that way. If you grow up as a donkey, not going towards the light, but by going towards the darkness, you invariably will spread darkness all around you. And to the next generation, that is what society is now at this moment. से अगर तुम लोग को वेजिटेबल बनाया जाए, जानवर बना दिया जाए, यहाँ से ये जो हेल्थ है, मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ खत्म कर दिया जाए, this is the best gift given by the Almighty, भगवान अल्लाह, वाहिगुरु, गॉड, जो भी नाम दे, ये मिला है बेस्ट गिफ्ट. क्या? बेस्ट उपहार. भगवान ने, अल्लाह ने, वाहिगुरु ने, गॉड ने तुमको यहाँ पे बुद्धि दिया, intelligence, and the teachers are giving you vidya. Can we give a big hand to all the teachers that are giving? तो शायद you tell me, विद्या और बुद्धि मतलब इंटेलिजेंस और एजुकेशन को इस्तेमाल करना, am I asking you to study rocket science or execute rocket science? Is it? विद्या और बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल करना, शायद that makes us इंसान. सर
Madam, did you know before itself that these things are bad, or did you learn from experiences?
Why should you know that these things are bad? जो प्रस्तुत करता, जो बना रहा है, मम्मी पापा को नहीं बोल रहा है, बॉबी दादा नहीं बोल रहा है, सीएम नहीं बोल रहा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बोल रहा है. This is the funniest part of the society. कपिल शर्मा शो से भी फनी. जो बना रहा है, जो प्रस्तुत करता, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, वो खुद लिख के दे रहा है उसके ऊपर कि गरिश्मा हमने ना जहर बनाया, तू ये खाएगा, पिएगा, फूकेगा, तो इट्स इंजूरियस क्यों है? इट मे बी बोल नहीं रहा, वो भगा दिया. Alcohol की दुकान, दारू की दुकान, and दारू and alcohol is such prevalent in many of your families. If 1,000 people are sitting here, दावे के साथ बोल सकते हैं at least 700 families you are seeing right from childhood. Alcohol is a very common thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like fight with the bad days, and to fight with the bad days, you need to keep this fit or unfit. ये जो गाना बनाते हैं ना बड़े, you are useless donkey. What is this? कभी कभी जहर पीना. What is it? If I identify that as a poison, until and unless you have come from planet Pandora, only then maybe. The ethanol alcohol goes in and it erodes your outer lining of your liver. How bad? मम्मी पापा का मनी मिसयूज कर रहे हो, चुरा रहे हो, whatever. बाद में अपना मनी. When monster has gone in and won't come out, तब तो अपना मनी यूज करना पड़ेगा.
There's like this daru ki dukaan like right up our road, and all the people from my apartment go there and get some random alcohol things. So like they are my friends. So do I stay with them or do I?
You don't, they are
go
not your
away?
friends. Please. However harsh, Mukta, however harsh it may sound or however harsh I may sound, तुम मनी मन में सोच ही सकते हो, मेरे को इससे 10 साल का रिलेशन है, आज बोल रहा है कि ये फ्रेंड नहीं है, खड़ूस आदमी. You can say that. But technically speaking, they are not my friends. They can't. मुझसे कुछ नहीं होता. This is such a cliche dialogue I've heard millions of times, and that a coup becomes 100 coups in no time. I can't stop the drug peddlers, can I? I can't stop anybody. I can't force anybody from doing all of this, right? But what I can do, you can understand, I must be doing something, otherwise it wouldn't have been 425. It wouldn't have been 425.
you become the first soldier. You become the first soldier of Adda number 425. Remember the designation I gave you. And when this photograph is going to come in the newspaper all around India with your name, with his name, with the school's name, you, your friends, your parents are going to be very, very proud. So can we give a big hand to the first soldier of Adda number 425? So joining hand, they're laughing. They're laughing. So that's what I'm telling. जानवर बन गया. जिसका अपना self respect होगा वो इंद्रिला. If you have self respect, will you be insulted? Will you want to be insulted? Never in my life, yaar. I can't show myself how cool I am by people roasting me, personally insulting me. And if you let that happen, something is totally wrong with your personality. This line over here, a fight against harmful popular trend. So read my fingers, Alexa. What is this word? Is famous. Another word is one word is famous, another word is infamous. Don't do it. Now, ये मैंने बोला, you spread it, Mukta. I'm telling everybody, spread it. It shouldn't end here. Mami dada आके बोल गया, तुम अपने घर में जाके भूल गए. You are doing disservice to the society. Jesse, today if I kill somebody, murder somebody, my face, my everything will be there in the newspapers and TV channels. Am I famous? I'm infamous. But that is the problem. What is the meaning of famous? And what is the meaning of infamous? A child and a young boy and girl getting totally mixed up. Because the reason is, there is one thing common between these two words. Who can tell me what is common? Views. Everyone knows you. Recognition. Who said everyone knows you? So next thing that we will talk about is online gaming. And with that online gaming is the word called gambling, jua. Okay? Let's understand the definition of jua and be alarmed and be proud that घर में 12, 13, 14 साल के जुआरी बैठे हुए हैं. But my point is, do not play those games जहाँ पे तुमको पैसा देके खेलना पड़ता है. पैसा देके खेलना पड़ता है is jua, full stop. With every gaming and sattebaji ka app, betting app, there is a mafia linked. There is a ready loan system linked with it. They keep a track कि कौन बच्चा या बच्ची खेल रहा है, किसको पैसा मांगता है, कौन पैसा नहीं दे पा रहा है, कौन रिचार्ज नहीं कर पा रहा है, कौन कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं खरीद पा रहा है, वेपन्स नहीं खरीद पा रहा है. They keep a track. ये सब तुमको मना कर रहा है हार्मफुल गेम्स खेलने के लिए. गेम्स खेलने के लिए नहीं. वो बात समझो. You can play so many good games यार. पैसा देके जुआ मत खेलो. Because once you are into it, you can never stop. You'll always want to go ahead and ahead and ahead and ahead. You know it more than me, right? तुम लोग खेलते. He had 3 sons. My my grandfather's elder son, my bade papa, his name was Mr. Monojit Chakraborty. My father, Dr. Nityananda Chakraborty. I lost my father some days back. So you can understand my mentality, my mental condition. I'm keeping myself busy and engaged because you have no idea how I'm missing him. Who doesn't have shame, who doesn't have self-respect. From the camera. Again, people are laughing. Why you are laughing? Don't you see 7, 8-year-old, 9-year-old boys and girls doing this on the reels? Yes or no? Yes. Cigarettes, alcohols, they have taken a backseat as much as the evils from the smartphone has taken up in their lives. Do you agree or you disagree? Agree. Akuta. Shreyans, my hands are not Pinocchio's nose. So, Shreyans, can we give a big hand to Shreyans? Shreyans, what did you say? That he is not a criminal. He is not a criminal. That's the first reason. Shreyans, there's a second reason. If you are unsuccessful in your life, it's your discredit and the bad choices that you made in your life. पता नहीं था, हम बहुत भालो थे, हम बहुत अच्छे थे, तो हर जगह उंगली जाता है सिगरेट की दुकान की तरफ, दारू की दुकान की तरफ, सब जगह उंगली जाता है, लेकिन उंगली किधर आना है? Alcohol as a drug. समझ रहे हो मेरा बात? ड्रग समझते हो तुम लोग? ड्रग किसको समझते हो? हेरोइन, मेथ, एलएसडी एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस को ड्रग्स मानते हो, ये सबको ड्रग्स नहीं मानते हो। दैट्स द वे टू ड्रिंक। और तो फैमिली में एक बच्चा देखता जा रहा है बच्चे की उम्र से कि these cigarettes, these alcohol so normally prevalent, तो उसका अवेयरनेस कहां से आएगा? The moment you are dependent on the other person, equality रहेगा? हाँ या ना बोलो? समझ रहे हो मेरा बात? When you are dependent on another person, तुम वो पर्सन की बराबर हो या कम हो? 50% more than the boys. The problem is, you know, that dark force has made you understand that कैसे equal बनना है with a man. How can you be equal with a man if you are copying the mistakes of the man? Tell me. The mentality is that. Am I right or wrong? Right. Yeah, the mentality is that. You can never be equal by corrupting yourself. We talk. It starts with age. So what is this word? Health. Youth, jago. What is this word? Health. Age for health. C gets corrupted, and the word is career. तुम जिंदगी में जो करना चाहते हो, that gets totally corrupted. With a sick body, with a sick mind, will you be able to do any work in your life? No. It's easy. And then the next word that gets corrupted, which is linked with F for not alone, Bobby is not alone, Shaurya is not alone, Aryan is not alone, Maulik is not alone, these people, Tejas is not alone, we are all linked with each other. We live in a closed bubble called society, Samaj. Okay, so use your senses. The next time when a Gadha or Gadhi comes to you and tells you from the dark corners of the society and tells you, अरे Bobby क्या बकवास करके गया है, ये ले, ये एकदम लेटेस्ट है, इसको रिचार्ज कर और फूक, देख ग्रीन धुआं निकलेगा, उसको आईजी में डाल, देख कितना व्यूज मिलेगा तेरे को। स्लो में डालना, स्लो मो में। अगेंस्ट थैंक यू। व्हाट्स योर नेम? Mukta. Thank you so much. Love you, Mukta. So Mukta, you have learned right or dark. The choice is yours. And you are in a very deadly and dangerous age group, Mukta. As you can understand, life is becoming so complicated suddenly. Hana? It was very simple 3-4 years, 5 years back. Now suddenly it feels so complicated. Don't make it forcibly complicated. Life by default complicated हो ही जाएगा। तुम खाते हो, तुम पीते हो, करते हो, करो। I don't own this place. You want to live a dark life? Go ahead. You want to destroy it and your family? Go ahead. Around you who are going to make your life miserable because their life is already miserable. They are going to pull you in that darkness and not let you out of the darkness because they know they are surrendered, they are lost, they are defeated. Sir,
Madam Sister, did you know before itself that these things are bad, or did you learn from experiences?
Why should you know that these things are bad? जो प्रस्तुत करता, जो बना रहा है, मम्मी पापा को नहीं बोल रहा है, बॉबी दादा नहीं बोल रहा है, सीएम नहीं बोल रहा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बोल रहा है। This is the funniest part of the society. कपिल शर्मा शो से भी फनी। जो बना रहा है, जो प्रस्तुत करता, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, वो खुद लिख के दे रहा है उसके ऊपर कि गरिश्मा हमने ना जहर बनाया, तू ये खाएगा, पिएगा, फूकेगा तो इट्स इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ। इट मे बी बोल नहीं रहा है, इट मे बी इंजूरियस नहीं बोल रहा है, इट इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, इट विल कॉज कैंसर। वो लोग लिख के दे रहे। कौन लिख के दे रहे? उसके ऊपर क्या जानना है? गवर्नमेंट कहां लिख के दे रहा है? गवर्नमेंट कहां लिख के दे रहा है? जो बना रहा है वो खुद लिख के दे रहा है हम जहर बनाया, और हम लोग इतना बुर्बक है। वो अच्छा जहर है, कूल यार, कैंसर होगा, ओह माय गॉड, ओह इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, आई कांट लिव विदाउट दैट, प्लीज। और क्या नॉलेज चाहिए तुमको? और क्या नॉलेज चाहिए? यू आर लर्निंग ऑल दिस इन योर स्कूल, यू आर एन एजुकेटेड पर्सन, कांट यू रीड दोस लाइंस इन कैप्स? In caps. Again, not your mother, father, not my mother, father, not the parents, not the CM, not the police. जो बना रहा है वो खुद इतना दबंग होके proudly, because उन लोगों को पता है सोसाइटी में ऐसे गधे गधिया भरे पड़े हुए हैं, and they are their biggest alibi. They have their biggest salary. हम तो बोल दिए जाहिर है. अब तू मरेगा वो तेरी मर्जी. Also, the mantra of a soldier, which happens automatically. The mantra is, read my fingers. Jago. Let me go to that. Sab ek saath. What is this word? Mind. Yeah, I like that. The power is given by this. तुम बैंगलोर में यहाँ पे बैठ के तुम्हारा good and bad thoughts, good, healthy and constructive and destructive thoughts, you can spread it to Greenland. This has given you the power. Internet has given you the power. But if you are driven by the dark forces and you are not a soldier of Bobby Dada, you will invariably do all the bad things possible by that power. My mind will not let me again, but your mind will. तो भले ही उसको 8 बजे से 9 बजे रूटीन बनाओ, योर माइंड में लगा रहा है अंदर फॉलो करिस ना, फॉलो नहीं करना है. और 9 बजे उसको 10 बजे कर, 10 बजे हो गया बना नहीं अभी 11 बजे कर, तभी मम्मी आके कूदती है. Okay, not everybody over. Come. Few of you all come. Come. Not everyone. Can we give a big hand to all the soldiers over the line? Come. Don't push anybody. Nobody should get hurt. We look to Anila, can you come up on the stage? Otherwise you'll be pushed back. We look towards the photo. So Garishma becomes the trendsetter of Adda number 425. Can we give a big hand to the trendsetter? I am the king of my mind. God say can do better. 1, 2, 3, go. I am the king of my mind. And the last one. I am the king of my mind. Thank you so much. Talia और dancer please. Yes. So the first one goes to Arush. Can we give a big hand to Arush please? The second one goes to Archit. Can we give a big hand to Archit please? The third one goes to Shaurya. Now we go for a picture. Come.
So AAC 425 at Presidency School Yelahanka comes to an end, and my goodness gracious, what a session it was. The same thing again, y'all were not letting me go, dear soldiers. I didn't want to leave y'all, and I'm telling you honestly, I'm missing all of y'all. And thanks to all the teachers, thanks to Dr. De Cruz, the Director of Academics, for showing so much of support, for being there throughout the session. To all the teachers, thank you so very much for making this particular AAC into such a memorable one. I wish to meet you all again very soon. Till then, I hope you take the second option in life, ki dada ki baat सुन के उसको इस्तेमाल करे लाइफ में. I hope you remember HCF. I hope you have this I am the king of my mind as a mantra in your life. Till then, love you.